Today I show you an unboxing of this. It's more like an unpacking. This is a simple USB-A to USB-C, but there is something special about it. This is a cable, and I got this from Amazon. It's very basic, basically not much information there, but I want to show you. So that's the cable. There wasn't much information on the back, but no need for much information here. And I think I had the same cable before, really. I just remember now this part came off and I couldn't find it, and I'm pretty sure it's on the channel. I did this before. It feels like deja vu, this cable here. Okay, so it's USB-A, LogiLink. Yeah, probably I did the same cable unboxing before. And it has this braided material that lasted pretty well. And the reason for buying this is because it's like this. It's a right angle connection, and I can plug in a device, and it's like that. It's a right angle connection, so it doesn't stick out. I use this for the speed editor, so when I use the speed editor for editing the videos, it will go in front of the keyboard, and it doesn't need much space there in front of the keyboard. I always get this wrong. So it's working, it's charging. I plug it in. So I can plug in the cable, and it starts charging the iPhone, and it should be both ways. Yeah, it works. Nothing super special about it, but it's actually a really good way to save some space if you don't have much space in front of the USB-C port, whatever device you're using this with. Then like this you'll save some space there. Thanks for watching.